Hi, it's Dr. Fawad Mian from ProloHealing Medspa and NeuroWellnessMD. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about pain relief for neck and back pain. So it's a very common complaint that I get in the office, and sometimes these things actually can be helped with just some simple things you can do at home. The very first thing I obviously encourage most folks to do is, especially for the lower back, is that we need to work on losing weight. Why is that? Because what happens when there's so much around your midsection and your abdomen, what happens then is that puts more of a load on your spine and all the other structures surrounding it. So think of like everything as a girdle that's holding things together. So the more that load and weight that's on there, the worse it's going to feel. And it's going to throw certain parts of your body off alignment. So just simply just working on your weight through a little bit more diligent exercise and modifying your diet, whether it be with things like keto or things with intermittent fasting, certainly can be quite helpful in regards to that. Another common thing that actually is helpful that you can do at home is actually what we call piriform stretching. And that's kind of when you bring your leg across and you kind of bend it forward like a little bit. And it actually stretches out some of the muscles that attach to that little pointy area, so to speak, that's on the side of your hip. That's actually where your sciatic nerve actually comes out to as well. So just taking the pressure or alleviating that nerve is something you can easily do at home. And so if you kind of work on these stretches at home a couple of times during the day, people will notice relief. Obviously, there are other things that need to be done too as well, but that's a simple thing that can be done. Another thing that actually can be very helpful for low back pain, for instance, can be actually just strengthening your abdomen. And also the surrounding muscles in the hip girdles. So that's part of the buttocks, that's part of the abdomen. And that, as I mentioned before, acts as a girdle to hold everything in. So when that's held in, it puts less strain on the spine. So things that you can do at home that are simple are things like planks. Planks can also be modified too as well, just in case you have any pain or discomfort. There are also going to be things like leg lifts too as well, which can actually be very helpful too. For pain in general, we definitely want to work on mitigating things by getting enough sleep so that your body can rest and heal. So that's also really important too as well. So make sure that you're putting in the time for that. And the other thing is that there are plenty of supplements that are out there that may help decrease inflammation. Some common things that I like to use on folks are certain types of good quality fish oils, as well as things like turmeric too as well. And if they're used consistent over time, they actually help bring the bar down, so to speak, in terms of pain. One other thing that actually we do in our office that actually can help is, and this is for fat reduction, is the emerald laser. So this is something that's not painful. There's no downtime, takes only about 30 minutes per session. And that could actually help reduce inches off your waist, usually about between 4 to 6 inches. Some people it can be more, some people could be less. That obviously can help jumpstart some of the stuff I'm talking about with working on the diet, the stretching, the supplements. And then obviously for a lot of people, sometimes that acts as an impetus or essentially, a jump off point for them to actually do more exercise once they start seeing results. These things sound useful to you. Please let us know. And if you're interested in learning more, please give our office a call at 973-928-3288, and we'll be more than happy to help you.